Kiambu Senator Karungu Wathangwa now wants governors at least to serve a minimum period of 6 months before any impeachment motion against them is introduced in the county assembly. In his proposed county governors' state officers removal from office procedural bill 2024 that has already gone through the first reading at the Senate, Thangwa further outlines strict measures for reintroduction of an impeachment motion, even as outlines for the process of removing a county boss due to mental incapacity. Ibrahim Karanja tells us more.
14 years since the promulgation of Kenya's 2010 constitution that brought about the devolved system of governance, and there has not been a defined procedure on the impeachment of county bosses. In the case of Meru County, for instance, Governor Kawira Mwangaza was for the first time impeached by the county assembly, having served for only 110 days in office. The clarity being what Kiambu Senator Karungu Wathangwa seeks to address through his county government's state officers' removal from office procedure bill of 2024. Section 2 of the proposed law seeks to protect county chiefs from impeachment in the first 6 months of their tenure. It reads in subsection 2 that no motion for removal of a county governor by impeachment shall be brought before the lapse of 6 months from the date of assumption of office of the county governor. This expected to at least hive off the clouds of uncertainty off the shoulders of county bosses who have previously been staring at possible impeachment motions as soon as they assume office. With the Senate currently required to have 10 days to determine on a governor's impeachment, as enshrined in Section 33 of the County Governments Act, Karungu seeks to further extend these days. In Section 6, subsection 1C of the bill that has already gone through the first reading at the Senate, he proposes that the committee shall have 14 days. The bill reads that the special committee shall within 14 days report to the Senate on whether or not it finds the particulars of the allegations against the county governor to have been substantiated. It further states that within 2 days of the determination of the special committee, the clerk of the Senate shall invite the county governor to appear before the special committee and shall specify the date, time and place of the proceedings. A motion to impeach a governor using grounds in a previously failed attempt will also not be allowed within 6 months of the Senate making its position. However, an impeachment motion with new grounds will be allowed. With Article 181, Sub-Article 1D of the Constitution providing for the removal of a governor due to mental incapacity, Thangwa's bill seeks to make clear such a process. He says that an MCA with strong grounds and upon the support of a third of his colleagues can initiate such a motion, and if passed by the county assembly, will have the speaker of the respective assembly write to the Chief Justice to form a tribunal to investigate the governor's mental incapacity. The tribunal shall comprise of a chairperson being an advocate of the High Court nominated by the Law Society of Kenya, 3 persons who are qualified to practice medicine under the laws of Kenya, nominated by the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council, and 1 person nominated by the Council of County Governors. The tribunal shall inquire into the county governor's physical or mental capacity to perform the functions of office and within 30 days of its appointment, report its finding to the Chief Justice and to the Speaker of the County Assembly. The same procedure will be used for the removal from office of a deputy governor, with the bill also laying out the procedures of ousting county executive committee members. Ibrahim Karanja, NTV.